everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for April 5th to April 11th. I hate to say this, you guys, but there's actually some pretty good deals, and a lot of deals are actually on the food items. I'm probably going to be going to Walgreens this week just because they have a really good deal on certain things, and the grocery stores have been sold out, so most likely Walgreens would have them. But as you guys see right here, there is a purple coupon. Now, I don't know if you can do this in the online or if it's just for the in-stores only. I'm not sure. But you get 25% off when you spend $25 or more in the store. So that's a pretty good coupon. I haven't seen that coupon for a while, if I can remember it. So if you guys buy $25 worth of stuff, you can get some money off. So that's an awesome deal. But here they got some Easter stuff. Now, with Easter going to be locked up, it's nice, you know, just to get out and get some Easter stuff. I feel like Walgreens is not as shopped like Target and Walmart is to go inside and get what you need. So, but they do have Brock's candy and Starburst candy for $1.99. We do have $1 off of 2 Starbucks candy, and we in the $3.15 Retail Me Not, and we have $1 off of 2 Brock's candy in the 3/8 Smart Stores. So basically, you'd have to get 2 Brock's or 2 Starburst, but you guys would pay $2.98 after that coupon. Comes up to be $1.49. So if you guys need some items, those are great things. You know, if you're bored, fill them up with some Easter eggs and have the kids go and find them. You know, that's something to keep them busy for a while. Now, they do have Purex laundry detergent for $1.99. There's going to be a $1 off coupon, making them just 99 cents. That's a pretty decent deal. Now, they got chips for $1.88. I think that's actually a great price for chips, especially right now when you want. I know a lot of people are binge eating and just not eating right, but you know what? It's just, yeah. I haven't been like binge eating, but you know, $1.88 for chips. Now, this is a deal that I am super excited for. Usually it's always the 7-Up products that are always 3 for $8.99, but they got the Pepsi and the Coke products 3 for $8.99. So you guys are basically get them for $2.99 a piece. I like to get them for $2.50, but for times like this, there's not a lot of good sales going on. So I think for Coke and Pepsi for $2.99 a piece is a great deal. That is one reason why I want to go to the store to get some soda or pop for Graham, because he really enjoys that stuff. And then they got some other candies starting from 99 cents. So there's little toys that are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. I think sometimes those run for like $2.99, if I remember right. They got some Maxwell coffee, $4.99. They got Dial hand soap, which it looks like there's going to be a coupon or digital coupon for making them $2.49 a piece. I feel like Dial soap we don't get very often, so it's up to you guys if you want to go ahead and do that. Now they got Crest Toothpaste for 2 for $6. We do have $1 off coupons. That's also for the toothbrushes. It doesn't say mouthwash, it just says toothbrushes and toothpaste. But you guys can basically get use 2 of those coupons. You would pay $4, but then you guys would get a $2 registry reward, making them $1 a piece. I wouldn't say I would recommend this deal. Like, you shouldn't pay more than like 25 cents, 50 cents tops for toothpaste. But with times like this, I would actually use that registry reward to buy food. So just kind of roll it and go buy some food. So up to you guys if you need that. They do have Post cereal and Quaker cereal for $1.99. Very rare we ever have coupons. It also looks like all the hair care stuff is buy 2, get the 3rd one free. So very unlikely we will have some good deals on hair products for the next month. Usually that stuff lasts a whole month. It looks like until April 25th. So giving you guys a heads up with that deal. Now, here's some other deals if you're really craving stuff. Like, I've been really wanting pancakes, and we have some Dollar Tree syrup, but I feel like it tastes a little off, so I definitely want to go to the store and get some syrup, okay? And then they got bacon, which is not a good price, 2 for $9, but they got Splenda and, you know, olives, broth if you guys need to make some soup. So there is a lot of food items more. 2 for $2, Chunky and Yes, 2 for $3, Velveeta, 2 for $6. That's not a, I wouldn't pay that deal, but you know what? For times like this, you might need it. They do have some other stuff. Buy one, get one free. There might be a Tyson's coupon out there. I didn't check, but you know, these are food items. Cheez-Its, Club Crackers, $1.99. Goldfish, usually we can get those for 99 cents, but if you guys need that. Here's a great deal for vegetable oil or sugar, $1.99. Otherwise, you can get a Crisco for $2.49 or chips. If you guys need to make a cake or anything, baking soda, brown sugar is 99 cents. Salt and pepper, and then it looks like vanilla, all seasoning and extracts, or buy one, get one 50% off. So, if you got, like, for now, right now, I've been baking a lot, making new food, so those are stuff that I actually am running low on, and I do need that, but every time I try to do an online order, this stuff is sold out. So, it just depends on what you guys need right away. Here they got some water and orange juice, M&M bars, 88 cents, some king size, 3 for $4. These are those butter cookies, buy one, get one free. So it depends on what you guys need. They have the nice brand garbage bags on sale again. Now it looks like it's the garbage bags and the freezer sandwich bags. They're going to be $2.79 at buy one, get two free. They do this deal every other week basically. But you guys would get them for $2.79 or just 93 cents a piece. They do have Palmolive, the big bottles, for $1.99. We're getting 50% off coupons, either digital or in the Sunday's paper, making them just $1.49. Now they have the Nice brand or the Complete Homes bowl or plate, which is the Walgreens brand. Usually those are $3.49. They're going to be buy one, get one free. You guys would pay $3.49. You get them for $1.74. I'm not even going to go over the toilet paper. People are just going crazy over toilet paper. And the odds of the stores having it are slim. But if you have them, go for it. It's up to you guys. Now here's Lysol. They're going to be buy one, get one free with card. And then there's going to be a 50% off coupon. Again, have fun trying to find that stuff. Just have fun, you know. All in Snuggle is going to be buy one, get one free. I'm not sure if there's any coupons out there. They have the Nice brand garbage bags, 2 for $10, making them $5 a piece. There was an awesome deal not that long ago that they had them, I think, 2 for $5, or buy one, get one free. So, up to you. Here they got Febreze, Dawn, and Swiffer. Now, we do have some dollar off Swiffer coupons in the P&G that we received last week. You guys would end up using 2 of them, pay $7.98. You get a $1 register reward, making them $6.98. Not the greatest deal, but if you guys, you know, are cleaning and you need some products, go for it. They got command hooks, buy one, get one 50% off. If you guys are, you know, doing a lot of work around the house, which I know a lot of people are. More Easter stuff. They got Russell Stover 2 for $1. Great price. And then they got some other things here and there. I love these. I miss these things. I'm craving those right now. Man, those marshmallow bunnies. Here's some goodies that you guys can get. They have Hot Wheels for 79 cents. That's a pretty good price. These little activity sets are buy one, get one 50% off. A lot of cute little Easter things here and there. This is a good deal. Now, it is a regional deal from what I found out in the past. So you have to see if it's in your ad. But basically, you guys could buy any 2 of these gift cards and you will get a $10 Walgreens gift card. I can't see the price on the Domino's. It does look like it's $15. But Netflix, the minimum you can do is $15. So you guys could basically just buy 2 $15 Netflix gift cards. You would pay $30. But then you guys would get that Walgreens gift card for $10 back. So it's basically, you know, spending $20 for Netflix, which I think is a pretty good deal. That's the deal I've been doing lately. I haven't been using my credit card to use my Netflix. I've been just buying these gift cards and using them up. I find them they're a whole lot better deal. Okay, you guys. So they got eggs. Unless you guys absolutely need them. I always buy these after the season because you can get them for like $1. So I have years worth of eggs, which is nice because I do birthdays. I always do an Easter egg hunt for all the kids for the birthdays. So that is awesome. Vitamins are buy one, get one free. Make sure you guys are taking your vitamins just to be on the safe side. I heard Tylenol is the better thing to have. So yeah, here they got some other things. Nothing really popping up with that. Band-Aids, all that stuff is buy one, get one 50% off, and then they have the Walgreens Vitamins, buy one, get one free. Then you spend $20 or more on the Walgreens brand stuff, you get a $3 register reward. Now here's the deal if you guys need this Poise, they're going to be $5.99. There is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, or a $3 off coupon. No, I think it's a $2 off coupon. Yeah, I think it's, I can't remember. It says in online or in store. I'm assuming that's the Walgreens booklet. And then we got a paper coupon for $3 off, making it 99 cents. Plus, you guys can use that for fetch rewards if you guys need to go for that. A lot of products. Tylenol. If you spend $30 or more, you get a $10 Visa reward card. So if you guys really need that, I would stock up on Tylenol just to be on the safe side. Here we got some allergy medicine because, you know, it's allergy season coming up right around the corner, and a lot of people need some stuff. Kotex, buy one, get one 50% off. We got a 4 off of 2. Always, and Tampax, or buy one, get one 50% off. And then we have, 3 off of 2 coupons in the Walgreens, or in the inserts we got. Now here is some deals for toothpaste. Now Colgate is $3.99. We have $1 off coupons. You guys get 4,000 points when you buy 2. So you want to do $2 off coupons. You would pay $5.98, get 4,000 points. It comes out to be $1.98 or 99 cents. Really wouldn't do it, but if you guys need it, go for it. Then we have the other Colgate for $4.99. You guys can use $2 off coupons that we got in our last week's inserts. You guys would pay $7.98, but you would get a $6 register reward. Comes out to be just $1.98. Again, 99 cents. Sorry, my daughter's making a lot of noise in the background. Now here's an interesting deal. Now this is a different type of Olay body wash because you got this body wash and this. But these are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. It looks like there's a $2 off coupon online or in Sunday's papers. And then when you buy 3, you guys will get 3,000 points. So I'm not sure what the price is on that. I'm not sure what the deal is. But if you guys need to get that, go for it. Like I said, all the shampoo and conditioner are all going to be buy 2, get the 3rd one free, but there might be some deals here and there for that. We got some lotions and perfumes and all that jazz. Nothing really that's pointed out to me right away. So, yeah. And then here we got some razors. Chic, $5.99. There's a $4 off coupon, but then if you buy 3, you get 3,000 points. Comes out to be basically 99 cents. Yeah, I never get those coupons, so I probably won't be able to do that deal. Bulldog is 2 for $4. There's going to be a digital coupon for 2 off of, or what is it? It looks like it's 2 off of 2, and then you get 3,000 points. Okay, it says 7 off of 2. It's just really small. And then they got Right Guard, 2 for $8. Secret, Old Spice, that. Here they got Mitchum, $2.99. We're getting $2 off coupons, making them just 99 cents if you guys need to do that. Speed Stick, buy one, get one 50% off. Use a $1 off digital coupon. You get 3,000 points when you buy 2. So that's going to be a good deal for that. Then here is the last page. There's probably not going to be any picture deals going on, you guys. I usually look at the past of my videos and they kind of have them around the same time. But with everything going on right now, not a lot of people are ordering photos. So, but if I find anything for that. But other than that, that is the Walgreens ad. There's a pretty decent stuff, especially on the food stuff and the last minute Easter stuff. So I'm probably going to be going to the store. I'm just going to go to my local store just because there's not a lot of people that shops there. I will see you guys all later, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.